The Mitsubishi ASX from 2010 to 2021 features a windshield washer system that includes a reservoir, pump, and nozzles designed to spray cleaning fluid onto the windshield. This system integrates with the wipers to remove debris, rain, and dirt, maintaining clear visibility while driving. The washer activates by pulling the wiper stalk toward you. The windshield washer reservoir is typically located under the hood near the front left fender. The nozzles, also called sprinklers, are positioned at the base of the windshield. The wiper controls are found on a stalk on the steering column, usually on the left side. First, ensure the ignition is on. Turn the key to the on position to power the electrical systems. Next, locate the wiper stalk on the steering column. Pull it towards the steering wheel to activate the washer pump. The washer pump activates, sending fluid through the nozzles. It sprays in a fan pattern for about 1 to 2 seconds, clearing the windshield. Release the stalk to stop the spray. Hold it for continuous operation, and the wipers will automatically engage with the spray. In winter, always use de-icing washer fluid. This prevents the fluid from freezing in the reservoir and nozzles, ensuring reliable operation in cold temperatures. To maintain optimal performance of your Mitsubishi ASX windshield washer system, regularly check the washer fluid level using the dipstick or by monitoring the sensor light on the dashboard. Next, inspect the nozzles for clogs and adjust them with a small pin or screwdriver to ensure proper spray direction. This prevents uneven cleaning. Finally, replace wiper blades every 6 to 12 months for best results. Inspect for damage and ensure they provide clear visibility in all weather conditions. Common problems with your Mitsubishi ASX windshield washer system include clogged nozzles and pump failures. For clogged nozzles, symptoms include uneven spray or reduced fluid flow. This is often caused by dirt, debris, or dried fluid buildup. To fix it, clean the nozzles with a pin or compressed air. Pump failures may show symptoms like no spray, clicking sounds, or dashboard warnings. Causes include wear, low fluid, or electrical issues. The solution is to replace the pump, which costs between $150 and $250. Always maintain sufficient fluid levels to prevent running the pump dry and causing damage. Aftermarket upgrades enhance your Mitsubishi ASX windshield washer system. Heated nozzles prevent freezing in cold climates using an electrical connection for consistent performance. A key modern trend is rain-sensing wipers, which use sensors to detect moisture and adjust wiper speed automatically. While not standard on the ASX, retrofitting this system improves driving safety. Another trend is multifunction washer fluids that not only clean but also anti-fog and repel water. These eco-friendly options enhance visibility and support sustainability, easily retrofitted into your ASX system. Automotive experts recommend using OEM washer fluids to prevent corrosion and pump failure. Generic brands increase failure risk by 20 to 30%. Proper nozzle alignment prevents streaks and ensures effective cleaning. Adjust nozzles to direct spray away from hood or wipers using a pin or screwdriver. Annual inspections and proactive maintenance help avoid costly repairs. Check fluid levels, nozzle spray, and pump function regularly.